Welcome to Bhagavati Tarot. Those who are new, I'm Shikha Thakur and I am a clairaudient, clairvoyant. I do a psychic medium reading. I am Reiki Grandmaster. I do the white magics. And this is a pick a card reading to know whether the person with whom you are having a relationship, they really loves you, they are honest with you, and they care about you. So this is a pick pile number 1, bloodstone, red jasper, pile number 2, fluorite is pile number 3. So relax your mind and just focus on your question whether they are really in love with you, and just choose a pile. This is a general reading. Whatever resonates with you, just pick those things. Whatever doesn't resonate, just leave those things. You can choose one pile or more than one pile. So let's start. Hello, pile number 1, those who have chosen the green crystal. This is a reading for you. Let's see whether your partner really loves you, they are loyal to you, they have feeling for you. Okay, so the cards are showing me that yes, your partner loves you, but recently something happened between your relationship where you feel that you need to just end up this relationship, or you are going through lots of doubts or lots of negative emotions are there, and you just want to let go this emotion, let go this thoughts from your mind. Currently I feel they do have feeling, but you are having lots of doubt on this relationship, on this person, and you are just getting so overburdened with these emotions and these doubts, which is creating lots of restricted boundaries around yourself. I feel there are also some outer influences in this relationship which is creating misunderstanding between both of you. It could be any friend, any family member, but there are some outer influences in this relationship which is making this relationship suffering, like which is creating issues in this relationship so that you both end up this relationship. So this is the advice basically for you. Don't listen to another people, start trusting on your partner, then only things are going to be better in this relationship. I do feel lots of imbalance in this relationship for pile number 1. Lots of conflicts are going up, lots of, definitely I am getting up this energies that for the pile number 1, lots of doubts are there, lots of misunderstandings are going for the pile number 1. So if your question is whether they really love you, so there are lots of misunderstanding here in the reading and in your life, which is creating the love, like which is banishing your love for each other. And lots of conflicted outer influences are there. So it could be related with any person influences, it could be related with any another friend or any situation here, because I'm seeing lots of influences in the pile number 1. So for the pile number 1, I do feel they had some feeling for you, but currently the outer person influences are destroying your relationship. So right now you need to take some time and just need a proper communication with your partner to bring the things back in your relationship, to bring, and you need to heal your relationship, because your relationship has had gone through lots of ups and downs. Lots of third party influences are there, lots of ups and downs are there. You need to heal this relationship again to bring passion, love back in your relationship. So I do feel currently things are 50-50. I don't say that they don't love you, but currently with love, fears, doubts and misunderstanding and conflicts are also there in this relationship. So start working on healing your relationship to bring the balance with the thoughts and bring the balance with your relationship. Stop giving uh, like importance to another people, what they say about your relationship. Stop doing this thing. Start giving importance to yourself. Start giving importance to your partner. This is what is a message which is coming for pile number one. So hopefully it resonates with you. Thank you. Hello, pile number two. Those who have chosen red jasper, here is your reading. Let's see those who have chosen red jasper, whether their partner really loved them. Yes, I'm getting a very strong yes. Your partner really loved you. They are honest with you and they want a new step forward for your relationship. I'm getting up that you both are a very spiritual kind of person and you both are a person who are energetically connected with each other. I feel more than physical world, you are spiritually connected. I'm also getting up that you are the divine souls. Pile number two, those who have chosen you are a divine souls here. I'm getting lots of new beginning coming up in your relationship, new things, new opportunities are coming up. But sometimes I feel that for the pile number two, you get disappointed with some situations in your life, or might be possible you are in a situation where you are unable to talk to each other. Currently, you both are not talking with each other, or currently, you both um, have moved on from one place to another place, and that's why communication is not there. So in upcoming time I am feeling for the pile number two, if currently something happened between your relationship and you both stop talking with each other, it will like very soon your person is going to text you and they will again come back to you in your life, and definitely they loves you, they care about you, they have a very strong vibes and strong feelings for you. The ace of cups and the sun, which is a very positive cards coming up, new beginning is there. But eight of cups showing up some sort of disappointments, might be possible the communication is not so okay. Due to that you are feeling emotionally detached from this person, or might be possible your person is not currently talking to you, but very soon they are going to text you, you both are going to come back into a relationship. Let's see more cards. So might be possible recently you um, had some issues. Definitely I'm getting a some sort of breakup kind of thing, or might be possible they blocked you, they are not talking with you, but they had feelings for you, they really love with you, and due to some misunderstanding, due to some conflicts, you both are not talking with each other. But I'm getting up this energies, they will communicate with you very soon, and you are like having a very strong bond with each other. Neither you can live without this person nor this person can live without you. So you both have a very strong bond. Only thing is that your communication is not going properly. So for making communication better, you need to first understand the concept why this thing is happening in your relationship. You need to pay some time to think why this thing is happening in your relationship, why this person is not connected with you, or you are having some conflict this person, or why this pain is happening, like you are going through this pain of separation kind of thing. And you need to first realize the mistake. If you have done the mistake, trying to bring the balance. If they have done the mistake, they have to try to apologize. If they have cheated on you, or if they have gone like giving the importance to another person and you don't like this thing, so they have to realize the mistake. Realization is most important to bring the balance in this relationship. Then only this relationship will exist for a long run. So this is what is general reading for pile number two. Hopefully it resonates with you. Whatever resonates, just pick those things. Whatever doesn't resonate, just leave those things. This is a general reading. Hello, pile number three. Those who have chosen fluorite crystal, here's your reading. Let's see whether your person really loves you. They have feeling for you. Yeah. So yes, your person really love you. You both are a soulmate. This is a soulmate relationship which is coming from the past life. So you both are in a relationship previously in previous lifetimes also. And in this lifetime again you met to complete your union. I'm getting a very strong call that yes, this is a complete union and you both are having a very like this relationship is going to exist for a long run, and I'm seeing that you both are seeing future together to get married. And this relationship is a soulmate relationship. Your partner really loves you, they care about you, they have a very strong and very soft corner in their heart for you. And you are a very grounded person, your partner is very emotional sensitive person, and you are very practical and grounded person. So here the union which is telling me like there is something happened in the past in your relationship, and now recently you again met. It is like this card is showing me the past life influences also in this relationship. Something happened in the past life, and in this lifetime you again met with each other to make your union sacred, to make your union back, like to meet with each other and complete this union in this lifetime. I'm getting a card of love which is showing me lots of love in this relationship, lots of care in this relationship, new turning points, new achievements are going to come in this relationship. I'm also feeling this relationship is going to exist for a long run. So let's pick more cards to get more clarity on this relationship. So this is a relationship which is blessed, and definitely a family card is coming up. So definitely you both are going to end up with a marriage here, or might be possible you, some of you are already married with your partner here, your soulmates. So I'm seeing a marriage coming up in this relationship, or you are already married up with this person. But yes, your person really loves you, they are madly in love with you, and I feel they are honest to you. So this is a pile number 3. Whatever resonates with you, just pick those things. Whatever doesn't resonate, leave those things. Please like and subscribe this channel so that you can get more videos. Bye.